back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be completely non phone. It is dealing with responding to emails and also reviewing and checking documents just to make sure that everything is there and they are accurate. This also does not require any kind of a college degree. We're going to dive on in. Just note the links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And remember, if you enjoy this work from home job lead, that sharing is always caring. So when you get to the end of this video, please share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead is from the company AmeriCorps. Now, AmeriCorps has 305 reviews from current and past employees on Glassdoor and has an employee satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a remote full-time quality control specialist. This is remote for the United States. It says this role is open to candidates. It's not exempt. It's paying $16 an hour, but you cannot require any kind of visa sponsorship. So you do have to be able to legally work in the United States. However, AmeriCorps is a leading provider of debt relief solutions for peoples of all backgrounds. They offer different services to their clients to achieve financial freedom, not only debt consolidation loans and debt settlement, but also credit repair services. And they're basically looking for a quality control specialist to review and audit their settlements and ensure accuracy and that the guidelines have been followed correctly. So you'll be communicating directly with internal departments where issues or errors are concerned and need follow-up or correcting. So you're basically going to be reviewing and auditing the detailed information in their computer system. You're going to review the documentation to make sure the information is accurate in the system. You'll respond to email correspondence promptly and professionally, process settlements when everything is correct, follow up on any issues or errors, and any additional task per the business needs. So completely non-phone, just checking documents to verify they're error-free and responding to emails where needed. Now, no college degree is required, just a high school diploma or GED. They are looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So this is a daytime shift. You need to have at least 1 year of administrative experience, someone who has experience with payments, great communication skills, great time management skills, and great attention to detail. Now, we talk about this a lot in my videos, but you do need to know how to use a basic computer programs such as those Microsoft Office systems, Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, all those things, or the Google Suite equivalents, and have great judgment skills. Now, on top of the $16 an hour pay, they do offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, paid time off, and 401k with an employee match. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I share multiple job leads daily, so if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you're subscribed. Have those notifications turned on. If you enjoy job leads like this, give this video a thumbs up, like button, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.